Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Present continuous form and use. We don't say use, we say use, because the verb is use, but the noun is use. So here we are using the word as a noun. So form and use. Use. So we are going to speak about present continuous. We use present continuous to describe actions or verbs that are happening in the present, right now, at the moment of speaking. So I'm going to explain this when we give examples. The form of present continuous. So we studied present simple. In present simple, we have just one verb. I speak, I go, I eat. So just one verb. But remember, in present continuous, we have two verbs. Two verbs. So present continuous is verb to be in present simple. We are going to see in the lesson verb to be in present simple plus verb plus ing. Let's continue. Let's see examples of verbs in present continuous. The first example, I am speaking to you now. So in present continuous, if we use now or we don't use it, it should be clear. For example, if I say to you, I am speaking to you, sure, it means now because I am using verb to be in present simple plus verb plus ing. So if I write now or I don't write it, it's okay. Both of them correct. I am speaking to you now. Negative. I am not speaking to her now. I am not speaking to her now. So we didn't use I don't because I don't is present simple. So we are now dealing and studying present continuous. So the negative form of present continuous is just with verb to be. I am not speaking to her now. The question, we don't use do, does, so we use just verb to be. Are you speaking to me now? And the answer, we can answer with yes, I am, or no, I am not. So I chose yes, I am. If you say yes, I am short form, it's not correct. So you should write the full or the long form or the complete form. Let's repeat for the last time this slide. I am speaking to you now. I am not speaking to her now. Are you speaking to me now? Yes, I am. Let's go to the second example. I am having a shower. Sure, it's now. Okay, because we have verb to be in present simple and verb plus ing. So I am having a shower now, or at the moment, or right now. I am not having a bath. Bath means a shower. Are you having a shower? No, I am not. So when you use no, you should write the short form. I am not. Let's repeat. I am having a shower. I am not having a bath. Are you having a shower? Yes. No, yeah, sorry. No, I am not. Let's continue. I am watching TV at the moment. At the moment means now. I am watching TV at the moment. I am not watching TV at the moment. Are you watching TV at the moment? Yes, I am. Let's repeat after me. I am watching TV at the moment. I am not watching TV at the moment. Are you watching TV at the moment? Yes, I am. Let's continue. I am listening to you now. I am not listening to the news. Are you listening to music? No, I am not. So with no, we write the short form. No, I am not. Let's repeat after me. I am listening to you now. I am not listening to the news. Are you listening to music? No, I am not. Let's continue. I am helping you. When? Now. I am helping you. I am not helping him. Are you helping us? Yes, I am. Let's repeat after me these examples. I am helping you. I am not helping him. Are you helping us? Yes, I am. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and good luck. حد سعيد. إلى اللقاء. Thanks for watching. Goodbye